Welcome to Technipaint Distribution, where quality coatings meet nationwide reach. When you partner with us, you don't just get paint. You get performance, protection, and trust. Our interior wood range is designed to bring out the beauty of timber, with rich stains and durable finishes that stand the test of time. For outdoor projects, our exterior wood range provides long-lasting protection against the elements, keeping decks, furniture, and structures looking their best year after year. And for the toughest challenges in the metal industry, our metal range delivers unbeatable durability, rust resistance, and professional finishes built for scaffolding, trucks, trailers, structural steel, and more. From Durban to Cape Town, Johannesburg to every corner of South Africa, Technipaint delivers nationwide, ensuring you get the right product at the right time. Visit us at 33 Jenkinson Street, Parow East, Cape Town, or at our Durban branch, 63 Teakwood Road, Durban South, or at our Johannesburg branch, 209 Main Reef Road, Denver. Contact us today on 0314-650-365. Follow Technipaint on all social platforms for updates, POW tutorials, and industry insights. Technipaint Distribution, delivering paint that performs across South Africa.